We've also talked, again, on the need to explore ways of enhancing cooperation in maritime transport by linking Port Louis to the Port of Mombasa as a catalyst for growing business and trade between our two countries. Equally, that Kenya is making good progress in the development of the Port of Lamu as part of a corridor that links Kenya, South Sudan, and Ethiopia, and ultimately will be a line that links the east coast of Africa to the west coast of Africa. I look forward to Mauritius participating with Kenya in sharing the dividends that will accrue from the transport infrastructure once it is complete. Honorable Prime Minister, Kenya takes cognizance of Mauritius' strategic importance to the Indian Ocean. And indeed, as chair of the Indian Ocean Commission, Mauritius can help steward the fight against piracy, money laundering, and drug trafficking, which are threatening the peace and security of the Indian Ocean. As the Prime Minister also mentioned, Kenya has invited Mauritian companies to participate in the special economic zones that we have set up in the Port of Mombasa and within the export processing zones across the country. And towards that end, we have signed the double taxation and protection of investment agreements, and Kenya will seek to ratify these in our National Assembly in the shortest possible time, thereby opening the doors to Mauritian investors, as well as the establishment of a one-stop shop where investors can have all their documents and licenses processed in one place, thereby making it easier for them to engage in business. We have also talked about the need for our standards bodies to work in much closer collaboration, and we hope that an MOU will be done soon, again, making it easier for the movement of goods and also services between our two countries.